Hello, we are playing Restaurant Tycoon 2 again. We got pizza. I played this in the Hunted event. No, the other one. Actually, no, I forgot. Well, can I sell these? I can sell them. Let's go! I have been waiting for so long just to sell them. Sell them all. Sell them all. We're going all the
The scammer then is described as a scammer.
Ito bebe ang ginawa niya. Wait lang na.
Hawak na ng isang lalaki at naharap sa reklamong illegal possession of firearms. Sinusubukan pa namin ng panig ng suspect. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Sarina Rafa, Etatuto, 24 oras.
Oh, Mauto!
35. 25.
Pinansagang social media capital of the world ang Pilipinas, kaya mabilis din kumalat online ang disinformation at misinformation. Pero alam mo ba ang pinagkaiba niya? Papaliwanag yan ni Martin Javier na kaisa natin sa ating panata kontra fake news.
I'm deleting everything. I'm not removing that.
Hindi lang taong mahal mo ha, kundi na mga nabasa, nakita, o napanood sa internet. Akala mo to, tulog pala.
I'm selling the whole room. It's free Friday. And I'm doing something as well. 18 votes for a small square. Man, that's a lot of money, not gonna lie.
May limang bag yung papasok na Pilipinas. Ito bebe,
I got a music box.
papalit pa rin natin bebe. May limang bag nyo. Okay. Dali! Ano yun? Ba't mo sinasel?
Magre-record ako. So we I'll just let that floating thing. I'm selling. Oh my god. Let me sell these things. It's useless. Nope, I'm not selling that. Wait, delete floor. Nah. I'm not. Okay, I think it's a box.
Dahil din sa ibinubugang asupre ng Caloocan Volcano na nasa alert level 2, sinuspindi ang klase ngayong araw sa Bago City, Negros Occidental. Bukod sa masamsam na apoy, nagdulot din ito ng volcanic smog. Sa nilagari at pinagkakandaan ng mga hindi pa kilalang salarin ang ilang bahagi ng metal fencing sa upper observation station ng Cebu. Matatagpuan dito ang ilang kagamitan napakahalaga raw sa pag-monitor ng Mayon Volcano. Sa ngayon, wala naman daw kakaibang aktibidad ang naturang bulkan.
Decorations, electronics.
Ng procurement entity ng DepEd, ipinanyag na nakatanda umano.
Here we go. We're moving this right there.
Ang nahulihan na salpukan ng dalawang sasakyan sa Cavite. At sakit sa ulo ng ilang taga-Tondo na marumi at mabaong tubig sa manhole, idinulog kay Kapuso Action Man.
Man, what is
Ang mga balita sa pagbabalik ng
slow piano and play that? Did my stars go off? No? Restaurant size. Experience rating. Oh, it go up. It goes. Restaurant capacity. How can I expand this? Can I even expand? about that. Now I'll have more. I'll build.
Also available in chicken flavor.
Share. Fun? Oh. Let's play the unicorn right there. That was not supposed to be. Come here. I'll place you in the table. Place you in the other one. Send you to the other one. Right there. Did that go up? Yo, 1.9. How many is all? Nature. Oh yeah, we got no bathrooms. What Give me a dish. Go your war.
Pero papalit muna ha. Oo, lagay mo muna doon.
Can I build it? Oh my god, it is expensive as hell. Give me the 24 bucks and the 40 bucks. Is there anything else? Construction? Oh! Oh! Okay. Well, let's have more fun. Oh my god. Special? West? Vintage.
For a delicious and creamy macaroni salad favorite.
Sustansya ng protein at calcium para sa teeth and bones at omega-3 for the heart. Sa iyong sarap at sustansya. Yan ang mga kanya.
Come here.
Hugas na hugas sa base. Hugas pa.
Ayaw ka bang matang sa base? Paghugas.
Right. There.
Kiss.
Then, yeah, right there. Bro. Alright, guess. I'm not painting my floor.
Hyaluron ceramide penetrates
Give me the money.
damage buildup.
Give me the 93 bucks for a dinner night. Well, do we have one? Definitely not. Give me the money. You think they're not going for these? Oh my god, this waiter is fast. What level is he? Level 9? He's 6 and... Oh my god. I can't spend Robux. I'm poor. Vintage. Oh, that was almost there. You know what? That's fine. Build. Art. Yes. Who cares? Bathrooms. Here we go. We're gonna play this. Yeah, I think that's... Yeah. Let's do construction again. Come on. I'll stop the recording for now. We've done our first day in this game. Give me that money. Money! Give me more! Wait. It's 6 a.m. Man. Y'all are so slow. Where? Oh yeah, forgot about this. Go here. They just passed through. We don't need doors. 2.1 stars. Let's go. We got more bed. We got one bedroom, but cleanness. How do we get that? Who cares about you? You're not a VIP. Can we get something? Stop the recording again. Thanks for watching. Bye.